The following message is transmitted by the request of the Georgia governor. A strange illness is going around the Atlanta and metro area. It is caused when someone with this illness has bitten you, causing you to have a flu-like illness. Stay away from these people. If you are bitten, go to the nearest clinic or hospital for help. The CDC does not know what kind of disease this is, but they are working on a name and a cure for it. The following message is transmitted by the request of the CDC. At this moment, this illness that is being transmitted by being bitten, or blood transfusion has no known name, or no known cure. The CDC is currently calling it the Z virus. They have discovered that once bitten, it would take approximately 24 to 48 hours until the virus kills you, and reanimates you into the living dead within minutes. At this time, because there is no cure, the CDC is detaining anyone with this illness. If you have this illness, please go to the nearest hospital. If you know anyone with this illness, call 911. We interrupt this programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted by the request of the White House. Citizens are advised to go to the nearest fallout shelter if in the following cities: Atlanta, New York City, Boston, Montgomery, Hartford, Dover, Tallahassee, Orlando, Miami, Annapolis, Concord, Trenton, Albany, Providence, and Richmond, and all metro areas of these cities. The CDC is trying to contain this virus now known as the Z virus. The National Guard is awaiting deployment and the whole East Coast is under a state of emergency and under martial law by the President of the United States. A message from the President will be posted as soon as possible. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WSB-TV. We will continue to serve the Atlanta area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Atlanta area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use.